Okay. So first we will revise the previous work. After that, we'll start a new work. Okay. Yeah. So I can see some videos are off. So please start your video. I want to see your faces, your lovely faces. And even I come to know whether you are learning or not. Okay. Yeah. Praganya, you joined the last class also. Or your brother was there, I think.
Ma'am, I'm traveling, so I can't on my video. I wanted to attend the class, so I joined.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay. So let's start our work. So as we have new student, so what did we learn yesterday? You don't know?
Ma'am, we have done in mind abacus.
Yeah, we did finger counting. We did addition, subtraction on tool, and we did visualization. Okay. So this was the work we did yesterday. But now for today, first let's revise finger counting. Okay. After that, I'll be introducing tool. So let's start. So who will tell me from which hand we start our finger counting?
Right.
Right hand. Yes, very good. So raise your right hand. Which one is your right hand? See, if if it is my right hand, your hand would be opposite to my hand. Okay. Okay, Sanvi, no problem. I just saw your message. Don't worry. If it is my hand, Grant, change your hand. Yes, now it is your right hand. So this is your right hand, and we make one like this. Make one. Some of you know already. Then two. Then three. How will you make three? How will you make four? And how will you make five? How will you make five? Like this. Very good. See, like this. Mama says, na, all the best. Or you, when you're playing games, you tell each other all the best. Yeah. So this is five. Then six, five, and one, six. Then five and two, seven. Then five and three, 8. Then 5 and 4, 9. 9 says bye bye. Okay, 9 says bye bye. After that,
Ma'am?
10. Yes.
Ma'am, if 9 and 5 look the same, how do you know which is 5 and 9?
5 is this. 5 is thumbs up. Okay.
Oh, yes, ma'am,
This
yes.
is 5. Then 5 and 1, 6. 5 and 2, 7. 5 and 3, 8. 5 and 4, 9.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Then after that, 1, 0, 10. How will you make 1, 0, 10? 1, 0, 10. The way you write the number, in the same way you make numbers on your hand. So show me your 1, 0, 10. Show me your 10. 1, 0, 10. If I'm making 10 like this, your 10 will be opposite to my hands. Okay. Yes. Then 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. You are making 22. Who is sitting with Hitesh? Okay. In Hitesh window, who is Hitesh?
I am Hitesh.
And
I'm
what is
Shivesh.
your
I'm Shivesh.
Shimesh?
Shivesh.
Okay.
Shivesh.
Shivesh. Okay, fine. This is 22 actually. If we are making 12, this is 12. Okay. And this is 13,
This and
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28. 2, 9, 29. 3, 0, 30. So in the same way, we made till 99. So if I ask you how to make 44, show me your 44. Show me 44. Great. And show me 55. Nice. 66. 77. Okay. 88. 99. Full hand. Now I'm just sharing my tool. Okay. So that I'll be telling you numbers of the tool. So this is my tool. And on tool, as I told you, that we always start from the center rod or center dot. One and same thing. Okay. See, this, can you see the 5 dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 dots on the value bar. This line, this line is known as value bar. Okay. So there are 5 dots. We always start from the center one. The third dot is your center dot, and the center rod. This is your center rod. You know these lines, these vertical lines in which beads are there, these are known as rods. Okay. So this is our ones place, then tens, 100, and so on. So how do we make number on the tool? So as we made one on hand, we raise one finger. On tool, we touch one bead to the value bar. What is the value right now? 1.
1.
Now what is this?
1,
Now
2, ma'am.
2. Now
3,
3. Now 4.
4,
Okay, now
5,
5. Now 5 and 1, 6. 4, 6. One bead from upper side, one bead from lower side. Okay, if no bead is there, what is the value? 0.
0.
There is no bead, the value is 0. Now what is this?
7,
7. 5, 6, 7. So see, 2 beads from lower side, 1 bead from upper side. Because we have 4 fingers, the tool is also having 4 lower beads. These 4 lower beads are like our 4 fingers. And the upper beads, this is like our thumb. Okay. So if you have to make 7, 5, 6, 7. This is 7. Okay. Now 8, 5, and how do we make 8 on our hand? 5 and 3 beads, lower beads. So 1 from upper side and 3 from lower side. This is 8. Okay. Now how will you make 9? 5 and 4. This is 9. Okay. Okay. Now I'll be removing this bead, and if you want to make 10, 1, 0, 10. The way we write 10, in the same way we make number on the tool. 1, 0, 10. So for 0, we do not raise any bead. Okay. Hitesh, brother. Shivesh or Shimesh?
Shivesh.
Shivesh. Pay attention in the class.
Okay.
Yeah. Now if you want to make 11, so this would be 11. 1, 1, 11. Then 12. 1, 2, 12.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how to
Ask me.
how to make 10?
How to make 10? See, 1 here and 0 here. The way you write 10, in the same way you make 10. Okay. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, we will be doing
Yes, ma'am.
practice. Don't worry. Okay. So now 1, 0, 10. Now you have to tell me the number. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. I'll be making numbers on the tool. What is this?
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
4,
4, 5,
5,
6,
6, 7, 8,
2.
8,
9,
9, 10,
What is this? 10.
11, 12, 13,
14,
14,
15,
16,
16,
16,
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
17,
17,
18,
18,
Good. Now,
19,
okay, now what is this?
20,
What is this?
20,
Yes, this is 2, 0, 20.
20,
Okay, now,
21,
21,
now
22,
22,
2. What is this?
23,
23,
Okay, what is this?
24,
24,
Great.
20,
What is this?
25,
5. Okay, now what is this?
34,
26,
34.
44,
I got one voice with the correct answer only. This is 34. Okay, now what is this?
45,
Great.
45,
After that, what is this?
55,
55,
55. Excellent. Granth, are you getting this?
yes ma'am,
yes
What
ma'am,
is this?
66,
66,
Excellent. Okay, now we are going to do some work. Open your copies. I hope you are having pen paper with you, pen and copy, right? So open your copy and now we are going to do some writing work. Ready? Okay, now I'm sharing the whiteboard. Okay, so here's the whiteboard. Today what we are going to do, we are going to do draw the beads. Okay, the work we are going is draw the beads. Now see, if I make two rods, two rods and one this line. So here this is the rod which is having black dot on it. Okay, so this is 1's rod and this is 10's rod and this is value bar, right? If I write 1 here, so how many beads I will make? For 1, how many beads I will make? Tell me. 1 bead.
1 bead,
Okay, if I write 2 here, how many beads I need to make?
2,
2. If I write 3 here, how many beads?
3
1,
beads,
2, 3. If I write 4,
4 beads,
4 beads,
2, 3, 4. If I write 5, I will
one
write
top
5
bead.
beads. 1,
Top
2, 3,
You need to
4,
write,
5. Is it correct?
no,
Then,
you have to draw 1 bead on the top.
yes, I have to draw 1 bead on the top. Okay, so this is 5. For 6, how will you make 6?
1 bead on the top,
5
1 down.
1 bead on the top and the
and
other
6.
one down.
5, 6,
And
7. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So for 10, 1, 0, 10. If I write 1 here and if I write 0 here, so see, Below this rod, it is 0. So there is no need to make any bead. And below this rod, it is 1. So you will make 1, 0, 10 like this. For 11, below this rod, 1, make 1 bead. Below this rod, again 1, make 1 bead. So this is 1, 1, 11. Okay, so now I'm giving you the values and you have to draw bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now you have to draw the bead and after that we'll match the answers also. Okay. Have you done?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it fast. Okay, very good. Do it fast. Done, all of you?
Yes.
Let's match the answer. For 1, 1 bead. For 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Then 5 and 1, 6. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For 10. Check your answers.
Ma'am, all correct.
All correct. Good. Now I'm giving you next work. Okay. And this is 2020. Okay, let me erase it and this. Okay. Draw all the beads. Very good. And try to do it fast.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Very good, Vedesh. Anybody else? Do it fast. Very good.
Done.
Done. All of you done? Do it fast. Yes.
Done.
Done. Good. I hope all of you have done. Shall I write the answers? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. This is 11. After that, 12, 13, 14, 15, then 16, and 17, 18, 19. Match your answers and tell me how many of you got all the answers correct. This is
Ma'am, I
20.
got correct.
Ma'am, all correct.
All correct.
Okay, so all of you got the correct answers. Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Now the next one, okay? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. Start doing your work and do it fast.
Done.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Okay, I hope all of you done.
No, ma'am.
No. Do it fast.
Ma'am, all
Done.
ma'am.
Done. Okay.
Done.
Let's match the answers. Let's match the answers. So for 21, 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25, 2, 6, 26, 2, 7, 27, 2, 8, 28, 2, 9, 29, 3, 0, 30. Match your answers and tell me how many of you got
correct.
all the answers. Very
Ma'am, I
good.
got all
All
correct.
correct.
All
Very
correct.
good. Very good. Very good. That means now you know how will you make numbers on tool, right? Okay. Okay. Now, next.
Yes, ma'am.
Start making the beads. Start making. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay. Start making the beads. Start making.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Very good. Very fast. And what about others?
Done.
Done. Do it fast. Try to do it fast. How many of you done? Okay, you have done, and that you are like you are enjoying that we have done, and rest are doing. Right? Hitesh and Shivesh,
Ma'am, I am doing.
do it fast. Do it fast.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Very good.
Ma'am.
All of you try to do it fast. Very good. Very good.
Done.
Done. Very good. Shall I write the answers?
Ma'am, I have done.
Yes,
Done.
ma'am.
I think all of you have done. So let's match our answer. It's
Ma'am, by
31.
mistake, I have right till 50.
Okay. 31. Then 32. 3, 2, 32.
Yes, ma'am.
Then 3, 3, 33. Then 3, 4, 34. Then 3, 5, 35. Then 3, 6, 36. Then 3, 7, 37. Then 3, 8, 38. Then 3, 9, 39. Then 4, 0, 40. Then 41. Then 42. Then 43. Then 44. Then 45. Match your answers. Match.
Ma'am, all correct.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
all correct.
correct, ma'am.
Correct. Correct. Very good.
Ma'am, you have written
All
till
of you are getting
50.
correct. You have done till 50. Very good. Very good. So now let's move ahead and (51), (52), (53), (54), (55), (56), (57), (58), (59), 60. Okay, do it fast.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Very good. Very good. Rest of you, all of you do it fast.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Very good. So let's match our answers. And you are doing with nice speed. Great. Okay, I'm just writing the answers now. 4, 6, 46. 4, 7, 47. 4, 8, 48. 49, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 50. Oh, sorry. Made a mistake. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. This is 60.
Ma'am, all correct.
All correct? Okay. Now I'll be giving you randomly. Fine. Good, good. Okay, now do this. Do this. Finish it fast. Done.
No, ma'am.
Do it fast. Do it fast.
Done.
Ma'am, done.
Done. All of you? All of you are done?
Done, ma'am.
Okay, now let's match our answers. So, see 8 for 8, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 3. And here 9, 2. Now 99, so 9 and 9. Now 8, 5, 8, 7, 9, 8, 7, 9, 7, 5. Okay. Now I'll be showing
All
you.
correct.
All correct? Very good. Now we'll not move ahead of 99.
I also.
In the next class, I'll be telling you 3 digits. Okay. Now I'll be sharing one software
Ma'am,
with you.
when is the next class?
You will be informed. Don't worry. You will
Okay,
be
ma'am.
getting all the information in the group. Right? Yeah. So now I'm just sharing one software in front of you. And you have to tell me the numbers. You have to read the numbers and you have to make numbers on the hands. Okay. See, this is the software. Right? Now, I'm just showing you it is a single digit number of rows 30. Okay, fine. See, numbers will flash in front of you. Like 2, 7, You have to speak and you have to make number on hand. Right hand. 8, 3, 1, 7, 3,
9, 8,
yes,
3,
very good. And speak, unmute yourself. Everybody unmute yourself and start speaking numbers.
3,
Ma'am, 6,
1,
1, 2,
Yeah, yes. Unmute yourself and
6,
now speak. Very good.
4,
7,
Good.
2, 4, 5, 9,
Good. And make these numbers in hand also. Good.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅన్ని ನೀತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅಂದ
Okay. Again, second round. 5,
5, 7, 9, 8, 6, 1, 3, 5, 6, 6, 4, 3, 2, 5, 2, 1, 6, 9, 4, 9, 7, 3, 5, 9, 2, 9, 8, 1, 3,
good. So you got it?
yes ma'am,
Okay. Now let's do it again.
yes
Then
ma'am,
after some time, I'll be increasing the speed also. Okay? Yeah. Wait. Start.
6, 4, 1, 8, 9,
2, 2 ma'am, 8, 3, 2, 6, 5, 4, 8, 9, 8, 5, 9, 7, 4, 6, 9, 5,
Good. Next round.
7, 3, 1, 6, 9, 7, 2, 9, 1, 5, 7, 8, 1, 4, 9, 1, 6, 7, 4, 5, 1, 4, 9, 3,
Finish. Okay. Now I will change the speed. Start.
8, 9,
9, 3, 1,
7,
7, 5,
2,
2, 9, 3, 4, 9,
9,
7,
7,
4,
4,
2,
2, 1, 2,
2,
7,
7,
1,
1,
2,
2, 5,
7,
7, 5, 9, 1, 7, 6, 7, 4,
4,
Finish. Again. Start.
1,
7,
7, 8, 5,
4,
5,
9, 8,
3,
3,
9,
9,
7,
6,
6,
5,
5,
6, 8,
8,
5, 6, 2,
2,
6,
5, 8,
4,
4,
7, 1, 6,
6,
5,
5, 8, 1.
Good. Very good. Okay. Now, let's start. How many of you are having tool?
Ma'am,
Show me your tool, everybody. And I sent one link also. If you have ordered your tool and you are not getting it, or you right now you have not purchased it, so you can download that app, and the tool will look like, I'm just showing you. Yeah, put it down. Yeah. So your tool will look like this. Okay. So you can move the beads on it like this, and you can use this tool. Okay. Yeah. So if you are not having this tool, so you can, just a second. Yeah. So now keep your tool in front of you. I'll be showing you how to keep the tool. So, in your tool, your beads will be moving continuously, right? If you keep your tool, your upper bead will keep coming down. So how you have to keep your tool? You have to keep your tool like this. You have to keep your tool on a flat surface where your beads will not be moving. Okay, now your beads, upper beads will be down now. So what you have to do, you have to make a pinch, and that is your value bar now. Drag it along the value bar. All the upper beads will be in upper portion and lower beads in lower portion. Make a pinch and drag it along the value bar like this. Can you do? Anybody who is having tool, can you drag your finger? Very good, very good. Drag your finger along the value bar. Now let's start tool practice. So how to make one on tool with left hand thumb? You have to use your left hand while doing questions on this. So for one bead up with the help of thumb. Okay. If you want to remove one, down with the help of index finger. Do it. Keep doing it with me. 2 with thumb, down 2 with index finger. 3 beads up with the help of left hand thumb. 3 beads down with the help of index finger. 4, remove 4. Now 5 with the help of index finger. And if you are removing 5 with the help of index finger only. Okay. Akshara, I have sent the link in the group. So you can check the name of the app from there. Okay. It's Abacus tool. Now, if you want to make 6, pinch in upper bead and lower bead together, pinch in. If you want to remove this beads, pinch out together. See, this is my tool now. This is touch screen, so maybe it will not work properly, but on your tool, your beads are hard, so you will be able to touch. So you can pinch out, pinch in. For 7, pinch in together. 2 beads from lower side, 1 from upper side. Pinch in. Remove. Pinch out. Pinch in 8. Pinch out. Remove 8. Pinch in 9. Pinch out. Okay, now I will be dictating the numbers and you have to make on tool. Okay, 1, remove 1. 2, remove 2. 3, remove 3. 4, remove 4. 5, remove 5. 6, remove 6. 7, remove 7. 8, remove 8. 9, remove 9. Let's do it one more time. 1, remove 1. 2, remove 2. 3, remove 3. 4, remove 4. 5, remove 5. 6, remove 6. 7, remove 7. 8, remove 8. 9, remove 9. Now you know already how to make 10 on tool. This is 1, 0, 10. 1 on 10's rod, 0 bead on 1's rod. This is 1, 0, 10. Then 1, 1, 11. Make numbers with me. See, I am making on my tool 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. Okay, now I told you the finger movement. Now I'll be sharing my tool on screen, so that will be proper. Okay, so you can see the number on my tool, and after that you can make numbers on your tool. Okay, so can you see the tool? Let's start making the numbers. 1, remove 1. 2, remove 2. 3, remove 3. 4, remove 4. 5, remove 5. 6, remove 6. 7, remove 7. 8, remove 8. 9, remove 9. 10, remove 10. 11, remove 11. 12, remove 12. 13, remove 13. 14, remove 14. 15, remove 15. Try to move your finger on the tool. You know why I'm not starting addition subtraction? Because first be comfortable with the tool. Your finger should be moved on tool very fast. In the next class, I'll bring my small tool and we will be doing tool practice. Okay, the finger should be very smooth on the tool. Right now you will be focusing, you will be dealing with a problem that your fingers are not moving. Sometimes bead moves down or up. So first learn to make numbers. Okay, your fingers will work fast. Make 16, 16, 17, remove 17, 18, remove 18, 19, remove 19, 20, 20, 21, remove 21, 22, remove 22, 23, remove 23, 24, remove 24, 25, remove 25, 26, remove 26, 27, remove 27, 28, remove 28, 29, remove 29, 30, 30. Let's start from 1 again. 1, remove. 2, remove. 3, remove. 4, remove. 5, remove. 6, remove. 7, remove. 8, remove. 9, remove. Okay, you know how to do questions on tool? Now I'm telling you that also.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose 2
Yes, ma'am.
plus 2 minus 3 plus 1. What is the answer? Answer is 2.
2.
Okay. So for addition, we bring the beads, and for subtraction, we remove the beads. You know this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now
Yes,
let's
ma'am.
start doing question. Let's start doing question. 2 plus 2 minus 3 plus 1 plus 1. What is the answer?
3.
3. Very good. Okay, let's do next question. 4 minus 1 minus 1 plus 5 plus 1. Answer?
8.
8. 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2. Answer?
4, 8, 9.
4. Very
Nine.
good. 9. Answer is 9. Okay, let's do one more question. 2 plus 2 plus 5 minus 3. Answer?
6.
6.
Yes, very good. Okay, now from the next class, I would be sending you sheet before the class. Okay, so can you get the printout at home? Show me your thumbs up if you can get out, if you can get the printout.
Yes,
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now, for those who cannot get the printout, what you can do, I'll be sending the sheet before the class, right? What you can do, you can write down the question in your copy. It is very easy. Suppose I have given you 20 questions. Before the class, you can write down the answer in your, questions in your copy. Can you do this thing? Okay now? So yeah, so from the next class, I'll be sending you work for you. Okay, so now for today, I'll be ending the session. Fine. Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.